Hello, welcome back to Shortcut. In this video today, I'm going to explain you how to create as like a, how to export your Blogger from WordPress. Like I want to export my content from Blogger and to import to my WordPress blog. Before going topic, make sure subscribe to my channel. As and click like button, share this video. Now, first of all, what I am doing is I have to create a new WordPress blog. I have an existing blog in previously I have a Blogspot blog. I have just now imported few days back imported like a created a new WordPress blog. I want to import my content from like WordPress blogger. For that one, just first from now starting with a blogger. Everybody know the blogger is a free blogging platform. It's like if previously I used to host the livestories.com livestoriesbook.com .com in a blogger. Right now I created a right now purchased a hosting and I started hosting and I created a blog on WordPress and just I want to import export from Blogger and import to the WordPress. Just I will show the process to export from your Blogger. Like first, let's start with the process. First of all, what you have to do is just go to your Blogger, log into your Blogger dashboard, and select your blog which you want to export the data. I have only one blog with this account. Like after going to your dashboard, what you have to do is go down here. Left side we have a few options. In few options, just scroll down. After scroll down, you will find some settings over here. And after finding settings, it will navigate to main like a settings page and scroll down until you find the import and export option. Here you will find a like a blog import. You can content export and import your content from your blogger. After scroll down, like until you have to scroll down until you find the blogger. Like we are in a managed block import and export content. Here you have to do is just uh, back, uh, just backup your content. For if you want to import, you can import the other content from to Blogger. But I want to export this. I want to take a backup of this content. For that, one, what you have to do is just click on a backup and content. After clicking, it will pop up a box like a backup content. The content backup include post, pages, and comment. Just click on download. Download your uh, articles and everything. Now it was going to save in a local system. After going to local system, this here is your download content. It will take few minutes to download your content here. Now we successfully downloaded the down like successfully exported the content from your blogger. After I want to keep and now block 10.50. It will take few minutes to download your content to your download page. After a successful download, what I am doing is just going to the WordPress blog where I want to import a blogger content from blogspot to my WordPress blog. For that, what I have to do, just this is my existing blog. I don't have any article right now. I am showing you how to import content. Like what I have to do is here is our dashboard. In your dashboard, what you have is main dashboard. Just you have to create a WordPress blog. After creating it, you have to connect your domain with a hosting, like any hosting provider. I use Bluehost specifically, but Bluehost is reliable and very good hosting provider in the world. Best in service, best in loading speed. Uh, now we are in here is our WordPress dashboard. In dashboard we have multiple options. In this option, what you have to do is just a click on tools button. After clicking tools button, it will display few options like available tools, import, export, site health, erase, protection data. What I am doing to import your data, import like what I just click on import. After importing, clicking on import, it will navigate to next page to import. Like it will in this after clicking import option, you will find this option where you are importing your content from. If you have posts or comments in other system, WordPress can import those into the site to get start choose system into the from blog. Like I want to import system from Blogger. For that, what I am doing, just click on install now. We have to install few settings. If you are installing from downloading from any other source, you can use install different things depend upon your uh, like run input to like to Install successful. After installing successfully, we have to run import. After run, we will move to the import blogger. Whatever do we, how do you upload your blogger? Export XML file will import your content from is into site. Choose an XML file, upload and then click upload file and import. Choose a file from your computer. What I'm doing is just going to my like a I'm previously we imported just content from blogger. Now sorry, we exported from Blogger. Now we are importing to Live Stories book. For that, what you are doing, just click on Browse button. After clicking Browse button, it will open your page like a browsing page. Go to Downloads where you download that file from Blogger. Just click on a Blogger. After clicking on blog, click on a blog at 10-15-21 and click on open. After clicking open, it will show you upload files and import. After that, what you have to do, just click on upload files and import. It will automatically import your content from there. It will take few moments to update your entire blog. After updating your entire blog, you can refresh your web browser. Like import other live stories book, a new user live stories book. Select a user if you want to use news user. If you don't want, just I'm clicking as a submit. Sorry. Now I'm submitting. After submitting, it will take few moments to upload your content. Now we are like import blogger all done. Have fun. Like remember to update password and role for important use. Like we successfully updated our content to WordPress blog. Now we are in a WordPress blog where your content is updated. Let's refresh your browser. After refreshing browser, yeah, we have two articles here. Previously, one article is published. There is a two like it. We have two article. Previously, we have two articles in this blog. Like five movies to lift you up when you're feeling down. The book which will bring you the millionaire in you. These are the two articles we upload in this blog. Just I show you in my blog. I previously showed you how I exported from blog and I imported in WordPress. Like I'm going to the post. In Blogger we have three posts like a this one is unfinished and these are the finished published post. We is in a draft. It was in draft. I'm deleting this one. We have to delete this thing like bin. We deleted successfully. After entering bin, we have three only. To import articles now in this video I clearly explained you how to export articles from Blogger and import your WordPress blog. I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe for more interesting video like this. If you want to create a new WordPress blog, just go to the description and you can find a Bluehost link. Just use this link to get a purchase a new domain so you can get a free like a free lifetime SSL free SSL certificate 1 year free domain name and with many more options like we can get a 3 months 3 months email marketing tool as well as you get a few free content free plugins comes from a WordPress like a Bluehost. Also, I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and follow me on my social media: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you. Have a nice day.